Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very special Seiko Mickey Mouse watch, which most likely is from the 90s. As you can see, the watch crystal is a little bit scratched. We don't want to polish it so that we do not break it, so there is a risk that the glass will actually break, and we do not have a replacement for this one, but nonetheless a very collectible piece. As you can see, it is made by Seiko, also written on the dial. Here we have a sub dial for the seconds hand that is rotating. As you can see, we do not have the 6-hour marker. Here we have a Mickey Mouse that is placed at 6 o'clock for the seconds hand. Here on the back we can see that we have Mickey Mouse since 1928. Then we have the Seiko model here on the back, and then we also have the movement number here at 6 o'clock. Then we have the Walt Disney Company written. As you can see, if we pull the crown and we move the watch hands, these watch hands are the actual hands of Mickey Mouse, something that can be found on a lot of vintage 90s Seiko or Loris watches with Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse and other characters as well. So a very cool and collectible piece, once again by Seiko. Now, if you want to purchase this watch, you can find it on our website, link in the description below. And if you want to see other similar videos, make sure to subscribe. And until next time, guys, all the best.